guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Let's get started with today's video. Today I have with me Dermasaction. I'm gonna be reviewing about this, like, is this really going to remove all the dirt, all the blackheads from my face? So let's just try it out. This is also like my first time I'm trying this, so let's see. This is how it comes. I will put this link in the description box below. You can go check this out. And also, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this in my own money. Okay, anyways, so let's see. So this is Dermasaction. So it says it will gently pull dirt and oil out of your skin. So let's see. So they give you 4 heads. One is sonic head, small head, oval head and large head. So this is large head. So this is set to remove the blackhead. That's for the blackhead. This is sonic head. So this helps in exfoliating, removing dirt and oil from your face. This is small head. This is said to be for daily use, which probably I'm not going to do. Who will do it daily? This is oval head. This is for these smaller or minor areas where the other heads cannot reach out. So this is how it is. You are just supposed to push it in and it goes in. So this is how it looks. So this is off, low and high. So there are 2 speed in this, and this works on AA battery. I'm just going to put that in this. And this also comes with a manual. I think it's really important for us to read this because they've also mentioned what you should do and what you should not do, which might actually affect your skin. So they've clearly said that you're supposed to take steam before you start it. So they've also mentioned there will be slight redness about 30 minutes after you use it because there's some kind of suction happening, and you're not supposed to leave it on the same area more than 2 seconds, otherwise it's going to be. So it's supposed to go upwards and you're not supposed to make it downwards. Something which is really important that they have actually mentioned over here is you're not supposed to use any scrub on your face, otherwise it's going to make your skin to break out a lot, which we are supposed to avoid. Okay, so we know about our product, so let's get started. Also, I wear nose stud, and for this I have removed this because I have not used this. I'm trying for the first time. I had no idea, you know, the vacuum, the power it's going to have. So just being careful. So in case you also wear nose studs or nose ring, just be a little aware that, you know, just remove it because you don't know, just in case. Okay, so I will quickly take steam because you're supposed to take steam before you start this. So I will take steam. It's just that, you know, your pores open out. So I will take steam. So this is how I generally look, you know. See, only just because of the steam, my skin has become red. So you're supposed to take steam and just dab it because they have mentioned your skin is supposed to be dry when you're using this. So just make sure you read the manual because you know, some devices can also be different, so just take care. Okay, so I've put the batteries and it's ready. So first let's see how this is low. Can you hear it? Sound. So that is low. This is high. So they said they're not supposed to leave it for 2 seconds. Let's try. I know they've mentioned that you're not supposed to go downward, but I feel this upward thing is a little tough. Oh my god, my nose is becoming red. I think after some time I'm going to match with my t-shirt. Are you ready to see it really works? If you are watching this video while you're having food, please skip for the next 10 seconds. So much of all the whiteheads and the oil has come from my nose. I mean, I washed my face. Can you see this? It looks so bad. I just did it on my nose for a while. I just feel so like how, but I'm not even sure if like the entire you know, the whiteheads came out. So I did just for like few seconds to know if this actually works, and it works. So basically it kind of sucks all the oil and the dirt which is there on your pores. And this feels like... So once you've done, they actually say you're supposed to wash it with running water. So I feel just take an earbud, just do like this, just go around once and remove all the dirt. So we used the larger head, which they had mentioned it is perfect to remove the blackheads and all of that. So now let's try a different head. So I'm going to be trying the oval head, which they have mentioned that it is good for the areas like over here and over here, where the other heads cannot reach over there. I remember for a fact when you go for salons for facials and all, they remove even over here, so I'm just trying it over here. I don't know if you can say very little I'm happy. At least by this I can know that I'm not that dirty. Next I'm going to be trying the small head. So they've mentioned this small head is for sensitive parts because I have an open pores over here and over here, and I'm not going to touch the acne part, so let's hope. Small head, it actually took a lot of oil from my face, I feel. Okay, so we are going to be trying the last head which they have given, that is the Sonic head. So here they say that it helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from skin. So let's see. So this kind of, pulled out the blackheads which I was actually trying to do. See, this is the like black marks over here. That's all the blackheads which removed. Okay, I think you might be seeing the steam here. I just feel, when I saw others doing it, I saw so many people got so much of oil and dust and all of it, and I am just getting out whiteheads. So I just thought, instead of I'll take steam, I will not dab it and I'll do it directly. Probably then it will come. So let's try that too. I didn't take the steam for a very long time because I've already taken, that time. I need to show you something. But if you're eating something, please skip the next 10 seconds because it's going to be very gross. So I didn't dab my, after taking steam, I didn't dab my face. And look how much of oil came out. Oh my god. I think it's because of the light, it's looking white. But actually it's because it looks very yellowish. Oil, dirt, my god. Oh my god, this is so gross. Okay, final verdict. I know I look a little like tomato, not a little, a lot like tomato. It's because of the steam and because of the pressure, there's some movement on your face, and so there's a different change. There's a change in blood circulation. It's all because of that. Final verdict of this product, when I dabbed the steam and then did, only whiteheads came out. When I saw other people, when they did it, so much of junk, oil and all came out, and it didn't come out for me. So I thought, wow, my skin is so neat. Then I wanted to try it with steam because I don't actually remember if they actually dabbed their their face after the steam. So I did it after the steam, and again I used the big head my god, it was so gross. So much of oil came out of my face. Final verdict, does this product work? Yes, it really did work. So I will attach my before and after photo where you can compare and see how much of dirt or anything which I had it on my face before and after, so that you can have a clarity of how it actually worked. And let me also just tell you, these AA batteries, because probably it becomes a little hot after using. It pulls out a lot of charges, probably because of the power is more. It pulls out a lot of charge, so I think you will have to be ready with multiple batteries, just in case you're planning to do it twice in a week or weekly once at least. So I think you will have to have a stock of a lot of AA batteries, or you can also take the batteries once, those which you can charge, recharge and all of it. Should you buy this? This actually works, so weekly once or at least monthly twice, just take steam it makes your outlook look really neat because it's removing all of the dirt and oil and the black. It removed a lot of whiteheads and dirt from my face, as you saw, like before and after. So I think you can give a try for this product. I would have put the products link in the description box below just in case you want to try it out too. I don't know why they said you're supposed to keep your skin very dry when you're trying this, but I think it really worked more better when I still had the steam and all of it still on my face. So just try what works for you the best. It might differ, because I have a little oily skin, so it's probably because of that. But if you have dry skin, it might be a little different. So just try it out and see which works for you the best. Just forgot to mention that it is not painful. It just makes your face a little red because the blood circulation, there's a change in that because of the motion and all of it. But it does not pain. So that's something I really forgot, and I feel it is important for you to know. Last tip. If you have plans of going out, then please don't try it. It makes you look reddish, but they have mentioned that the redness will go away in 30 minutes. Just in case, just try when you have no plans for the day, or try it probably in the night so that you can sleep and get up by morning. It's going to be all right. And also one tip, guys, as the pores are completely open right now and everything is out, your pores are empty. So please rub ice or apply any aloe vera gel so that all your pores can get closed and no other dirt can go inside and create acne. Because I'm going to be doing the same thing next. Once the video ends, I'm going to rush rub some ice or aloe vera gel. I'm gonna apply it and then let it cool, and it will even be good for your skin. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. I really hope this video helped you. Nice reviewing this product because I never thought it would really work, but as it has worked, it's great that at least I didn't waste my money, because this is not a sponsored video. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video, and it means really a lot to me, okay? I will meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye!